Hi, Sketchup friends. Well, today we're drawing something spooky and sweet, a cute candy corn bat. This one's super easy and so much fun to color. So I'm going to make 2 dots. That determines the height of this candy corn. Now I'm going to go ahead and start curving this line out to the left. And you can see it's a little bit of a triangular shape. So it's a little bit wider at the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Start curving a line out to the right. Just kind of go back over the shape a little bit. Alright, so now we've got the shape where we want it, and obviously that's the most important part, making sure it looks like a candy corn. So I'm curving these lines down. These are called cross contour lines, so they curve around the form. Well, I think if Batman had a sweet tooth, this little guy would be his sidekick. So we're going to go ahead and draw the expressions. We're doing this kawaii style. So I'm going to leave the white highlight inside of the eye. I was going to say, who needs vampires when you've got candy corn with wings? Okay, so I'm going to curve a line down a little bit. And then I'm going to curve another line down to create the mouth. I'm going to curve a line up for a tongue. And then I'm going to draw 2 triangles for the teeth. Add those eyebrows. So it's spooky and sweet. So now we got that cute expression on our character. So I'm going to start the bat ears. So I want you to pay attention to the size relationships in the drawing. How big is the ear in relationship to the candy corn? Now I'm just going to follow that same outline. We're going to add a little fur inside of the ear. And so I'm going to curve a line out to the right, and I'll curve a line out to the right again. Alright, so now we're going to draw the left ear. So I made those 2 marks to determine how big this ear was going to be. Same thing, just follow that outline. And then the fur inside of the ear, we're going to go ahead and draw a line that curves out to the left, and then another line that curves out to the left. And this is a really fun and easy one to color with Posca markers. But if you don't have Poscas, you can still use whatever you have. We're using colors value today. So it actually makes this character look 3-dimensional. So for the wing, I curved line up, that little line up. Now I curve line to the right. And now I'm curving these 2 lines up to finish off that wing. And I'm going to draw a line down. Okay, so we're going to draw a line that curves up. We'll curve a line out to the left. Then we're going to draw these two lines that curve up. Look at those cool bat wings. All right, so the feet, we're going to draw two lines down. And then we're going to draw three lines that curve down. So I think this bat prefers sugar rushes over blood rushes. And once again, three lines that curve down. So now's a good time to stand back and check your workout, make any adjustments as needed. I'm just going to add these rosy cheeks for another cute added detail. And I'm going to outline with Sharpie marker for my outlines, and on the inlines, I'm going to use a micron for the eyes and the mouth. So the micron is a fine tip marker. And so I put down my base colors first. So I have ivory, yellow, orange, and yellow. And so for the shadow, I have yellow ochre, orange, and beige. And for the browns, I have brown and cacao brown. And so those are the two values I used, the lighter and the darker values. And now I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this outline. Well, if you enjoyed this video, check out more of my how to draw Halloween videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.